Hi, I'm David with Moxa, and in this video, I want to introduce Moxa's 60-watt PoE switch, the perfect fit for anybody looking to integrate PoE into their surveillance applications. This here is Moxa's EDS P506E 4POE. It's a 6-port industrial managed PoE switch with 2 gigabit SFP combo ports and 4 PoE plus ports capable of producing up to 60 watts of PoE for a total power budget of 180 watts. This means that you can run up to 3 60 high power PoE or 4 45 watt PoE devices. But it does not just give you high power PoE. This switch gives you the flexibility to customize the power output of each of its ports. So you can adapt it to the different wattage requirements of your power devices like your PTZ cameras, weather sensors, access points, or even your IP phones. Okay, so let's go over a couple of my favorite design elements of this switch, like its super thin form factor and its 12, 24, 48 DC wide power inputs. These are a definite plus, especially if you're retrofitting PoE into your existing cabinets, where space and existing power supplies are often two very important considerations. But by far, the best feature of this switch is an auto reboot setting that sends a signal to your power devices to ensure that they're online. It's not uncommon for a PoE device to become unresponsive, but if it does, the switch will automatically initiate a reboot to the IP camera, sensor, or whatever connected to the switch. Anyone who has ever had to dispatch a service technician to reboot an unresponsive PoE camera to a remote location is going to appreciate the headaches and money that you're going to save having this convenient feature when it comes to doing your remote maintenance. Other standard features include 20 millisecond network redundancy, PoE diagnostics for analysis, and a wide temperature version that can operate anywhere from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius for those extreme environments. Obviously, being a Moxa industrial switch, you can be confident that the performance and reliability due to the high MTBF ratings of our products. If you want more information on the EDS P506E 4POE, check out our website. Also, feel free to contact us if you have questions or would like help with selecting any PoE solutions. Thanks for watching.